All right, so I want you to get down. I want you to get on your elbows and make a fist, okay? So go ahead and get down. Get on your elbows. Now, toes in the floor. Go ahead and lift up. Hold it. I want everything flat. I don't want your butt sticking up, okay, or down. Right in the center, perfectly flat. Shoulders are down. Neck is nice and straight. Knees keep slightly bent, okay, not too much. And tuck in those abs and keep them tight. This works the whole core, the upper body, the legs, everything. Now, in the routines area, I'm going to say an amount of seconds where you need to hold it. 30 seconds, 10 seconds, minute, whatever. Hold it for that long and don't move. Keep it solid, okay? I don't care if you fall. If you fall, you get right back up into position. We're going to get you in shape.